Good morning, children. Welcome to Geography class. Today, we shall continue with the chapter India, Size and Location. In today's session, you will learn about the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India in more detail, the extreme points of India, its neighboring countries and islands, and the significance of its strategic position at the head of Indian Ocean. Children, as I have already discussed about the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India in the previous video, so you should remember one thing, that latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as well as the climate of a place, whereas longitudinal extent influences the time of a place. It do influences the climate, but in an indirect way, which you will study in detail in your next chapter, climate. Children, the mainland extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north, and longitude 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. The difference between the latitudinal and the longitudinal extent is 29.02 and 29.18 respectively, which is 30 degrees approximately. Children, I have also discussed that there is a 2 hours difference between the time when we move from west to east. For example, if there will be 6 am in Arunachal Pradesh, the time in Gujarat would be 4 am. But how do we calculate this time difference? Let's see. As we are calculating the time, so we shall consider the longitudinal extent of the mainland, which comes out to be 29.18, that is approximately 30 degrees. We all know 4 minutes is equals to 1 degree, which means if we calculate for 30 degrees, it comes out to be 120 minutes. And 120 minutes is equals to 2 hours, because 1 hour has 60 minutes. So if there will be 6 am in Arunachal Pradesh, time in Gujarat would be 4 am. Why? Because east is ahead of west. Can we keep it like that? No, we can't. We have to maintain uniformity in the time throughout the country. So in order to maintain the uniformity in the time along the standard meridian of India, which is located at 82 degrees 30 east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for the whole country. So children, this is how we find the difference of 2 hours from west to east. Now, let us focus on the extreme points of India. Children, do you know which is the northernmost point of India? The northernmost point of India is Indira Col, which is located in the state of Jammu and Kashmir in Siachen Glacier in Karakoram Mountains. The easternmost point of India is Kibithu, which is located in Arunachal Pradesh. The westernmost point of India is Guhar Moti, located near Sar Creek in the Kutch district of Gujarat. Children, the southernmost point of Indian mainland is Cape Comorin, which is located in the Kanyakumari district of Tamil Nadu, whereas the southernmost point of Indian Union is Indira Point, which is located in the Andaman Nicobar Island. But this Indira Point got submerged underwater during 2004 tsunami. So, the southernmost point of Indian mainland is Cape Comorin, whereas the southernmost tip of Indian Union is Indira Point, which is located in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now children, coming to India's neighboring countries, children, you all know that India is comprised of 28 states and 8 union territories, and India shares its land boundary with Pakistan and Afghanistan from northwest, China, Nepal, Bhutan from the north, Myanmar and Bangladesh from the east, whereas Sri Lanka and Maldives are the southern island neighbors. Now coming to very important topic, that is the significance of India's strategic location at the head of Indian Ocean. Children, the India's position at the head of Indian Ocean is of great significance for India. And this strategic location helps India to establish trade links with other countries of the world. As the length of the Indian coastline is 7516.6 kilometers, and no other country of the world has such a long coastline. And this long coastline proves advantageous for the economic prosperity of India. Children, the Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. And India is the southward extension of Asian continent. It means India lies to the south of Asian continent. The trans-Indian Ocean routes connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia. The Deccan Peninsula, which protrudes into the Indian Ocean, help India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast, and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. And this is possible only because of the long coastline of India. So children, India's position on the head of the Indian Ocean is of great significance. And Indian Ocean is the only ocean which is named after a country. So children, that is all for today. Thank you.